Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the oven door lock motor in this Frigidaire Induction range, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the lower screw, securing the power cord retaining plate. Next, unthread the 6 mounting screws, securing the range's lower rear access panel. With the screws unthreaded, detach the panel and set it aside. Disconnect the wires from the door lock motor. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 screws, securing the door lock motor to the rear panel. Rotate the motor mounting plate to release the door lock rod, and you can fully remove the old motor. To install the new oven door lock motor, first attach the rod to the motor assembly cam. Position the motor on the rear panel and thread the 2 screws to secure. Connect the wires to the terminals. Reinstall the lower rear access panel by first inserting the power cord retaining plate. Then align the notches on the bottom of the access panel with the tabs. Tuck the upper edge of the panel under the upper access panel. Then thread the 6 screws to secure. Rethread the lower screw to secure the power cord retaining plate to the access panel. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in, and the induction range should be ready for use.